Ciao, I'm Chiara from Filo e Segno and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how to crochet this hoodie hat. This project is so quick to do, so it's perfect for beginner. With the holidays on the way, they also make a thoughtful handmade gift to give to your friends and family. For this project I use one skein of spray from Mondial in these beautiful shades of color and a 6.5mm hook. What we have to do now is to create one large rectangle, so chain 90. Okay, now we do 1/2 double crochet in the third chain from hook. And we work all of project in back loop only. In this way the crochet fabric becomes more elastic and for this reason more comfortable to wear. So we do 1/2 double crochet into the back loop only of the next chain and in each chain down the row. Okay, now chain 2, this counts as the first half double crochet. Then we do 1/2 double crochet into the back loop only in each stitch down the row. Okay, now we're going to repeat this last row. So chain 2, remember this counts as your first half double crochet, and then we do 1/2 double crochet into the back loop only in each stitch down the row. Now pay attention, at the end of each row we do the last half double crochet in the second chain of the previous row, that maybe it will be not so clear to see. So remember to work this last stitch because otherwise the rectangle will be crooked. So now chain 2, then we repeat the last row. So we do 1/2 double crochet into the back loop only in each stitch down the row, and we continue to do this until we have a total of 45 rows. And remember to work the last stitch too. Okay, now my 45 rows are done, so now we are ready to cut the yarn, then weave the ends inside the garment. Remember to leave a long tail because we will use it to sew the hoodie hat. Okay, now my rectangle is 66 centimeters long and 48 centimeters wide. So now we fold the rectangle in this way, and now we are going to sew these two parts, this upper part, then we leave an opening about 30 centimeters, and then we sew the part below. So grab your tapestry needle, then begin to sew. Okay, now we are ready to sew this part. We leave an opening about 30 centimeters, and I suggest to place a marker. Then we are ready to sew. Okay, now turn the garment inside out and your project is done and ready to wear. This hoodie hat will keep your ears warm. Of course, you can also pull down the hat so it will be a very warm cowl. I hope you enjoyed this video tutorial. Let me know in the comments down below. Remember to tag me on Instagram or Facebook if you create your spray hoodie hat. I will leave all the links that you need in the description box. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching and I see you in the next video. Ciao and tanto love!